Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how it's possible to get sample databases on Microsoft SQL Server. So in order to do it, you can download two sample databases from the URLs which you can find in the comments behind the video. After you will download two files, you need to open it in SQL Server Management Studio. You should open these files one by one and execute it. Press execute for one file. It will create the database in the list, and the database name is Northwind. There is some tables, some views, and some stored procedures exist. If this database is not enough for you, then you can open second file, execute it in the same way, and then you will get another database pubs as well, with many different tables, with different views, and with stored procedures. Hope it will be useful for you. Take care, bye bye.